In the following atoms and molecules, for transition from n is equal to 2 to n is equal to 1, the spectral line of minimum wavelength will be produced by. So, we have to have the relation between wavelength and atomic number, because there are different atoms given: hydrogen, deuterium, uniionized helium, diionized lithium. Now, the wavelength is related by 1 by lambda, which is mu bar. This is a wave number, which is equal to Rz into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. n2 square. So, the transition is from n1 by transition is from the final is 1 and the initial is 2, so 2 square, so 1 by lambda. This portion is a constant, so this is Rydberg constant, so lambda is inversely proportional to z. For wavelength to be minimum, atomic number should be maximum. So, out of all the options given, lithium has highest atomic number value. Lithium has a highest atomic number value, hence it emits within 1 and 2 transitions, from first to second or second to first. This lithium, among all the options of elements given, will emit the radiation of minimum wavelength. So, option D seems to be the correct answer.